Hi, Victor Morganti here from FactEngine. We're going to look at the Boston data productivity tool running on PostgreSQL or Postgres. We've got Boston open in front of us, and this video need not be very long at all. So if we go to Boston and configuration, we can see that the database type that it's running on is PostgreSQL or Postgres, and this is the DSN, so the data source name for ODBC to connect to a Postgres database. So this instance of Boston is running on a Postgres database. We've got the university model in the Model Explorer. If I just click on any page there, it'll start to load that model, and we can see how quickly that loads via Postgres. So that should be finished any second now, and I'll just open a couple of pages. So it's an object role model, it's a property graph schema, and that's an entity relationship diagram. So what does that say? Well, if you're running Boston in the cloud and where users are using it through a web browser with Boston Enterprise, you can now run Boston on an enterprise class database, which means that you have a model server that you can run on an enterprise class database. So for entity relationship diagrams, property graph schema, object role models. But not only that, if you look at the semantic view, so let's say the glossary, and if we look at the natural language verbalizations for a particular model element, so we're looking at the lecturer model element in a university universe of discourse, we can see the natural language verbalizations in the glossary for what are business rules. So we're looking at each lecturer works for one faculty, each lecturer has one first name, each lecturer has one lecturer ID is of one lecturer, each lecturer is in one school, etc. So these business rules are being served up via Postgres, and if you're running Boston Enterprise and looking at this through a browser, we have a web-based effective document server where we're serving up business rules based on the model, on the conceptual model, and over a enterprise class database. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Victor Morganti from FactEngine. FactEngine provides consulting on knowledge graphs, object role modeling, property graph schemas, and relational models. And of course, FactEngine is the author of the world-leading Boston conceptual modeling software. Thanks again. I look forward to speaking with you soon.